Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I create a scalable gear icon or settings icon using a 24-pixel canvas. Oh, and you can download the guidelines in the description of this video. Let's get started. Import the icon by pressing the Ctrl and I keys. As usual, let's zoom out on the sketch first so it doesn't block the view, guys. Okay. Let's start with the circle, and I'm using a stroke width of 2 pixels. And let's start making the teeth. Okay, let's duplicate the jagged object. And we duplicate it. Then we apply a horizontal mirror. And we select the top and bottom objects. Then we rotate them. Oh, and don't forget to duplicate and mirror. Now, let's use the node tools and adjust the object's edges so they don't overlap. Do the same at both ends of the line. Well, it looks like we need to enlarge the object's circle a bit to make it more balanced. And don't forget to select all the objects. Go to the Path tab. Choose Stroke to Path, and then we'll union them. And yes, that's a perfect result. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a blessed day.